I'm going to break down the dumbbell chest press or a dumbbell bench press. Both of them are interchangeable, all right? So you're working your pectoral muscles, which is that big chest muscle. I also like to call it the hugging muscle, right? It's like, ooh, you got strong pecs, you're going to be a good hugger, all right? And everybody likes good hugs. So I'm going to break that down for you, and just some of the common things that I see people doing wrong when doing this exercise is their elbows are out way too wide. All right, so you actually, if the dumbbells are over my face, I actually want to bring my elbows down just a little bit so they're at a 45 degree rather than them being up like this. Okay, so up right here, having your elbows up, that does put the shoulder in a vulnerable position and is usually how people hurt themselves. So having your shoulders down and back and then bringing your elbows down in a 45 degree, so then your hands actually end up around nipple line. Okay, so that is the path at which you want your dumbbell to travel. So I'll show you that with the actual weights. Another common mistake that I see is people setting up incorrectly. It's kind of funny. 80% of the injuries done in the gym is usually done on the first or last rep because people lose their consciousness of what they're actually doing. Like, oh, okay, like setting up, getting into position to get ready. People forget that. Set up, like you are still picking up weight. So you want to maintain that proper biomechanics whenever you're getting into position and even getting out of a position. Kind of funny, but there you go. All right, so to get into this, so you want to start out with the dumbbells on your knees, okay? And then you're going to rock back, bring your knees up. So then as you get a heavier weight, you won't hurt yourself, all right? So now I'm setting my shoulders down and back. It's okay if you have an arch in your back. That's completely normal, all right? And then feet are flat on the ground, all right? That is another mistake I see. People are like lifting with their with their feet up in the air like this. Y'all, keep your feet on the ground, all right? Feet on the ground, tucked in, boom. All right, so now my shoulders are tucked, my feet are flat. I bring the dumbbells down to about 45 degrees. My elbows are at 45 degrees. Boom, and then press straight up. Down and up. Down and up. Now to get out of this exercise, I bring my knees back up. Dumbbells go on top of my knees. And I roll back up. So now I can get out of the position safely. Okay, so that is a dumbbell chest press. If you have any other exercises that you want me to break down, to go through, whatever, critique on, or just even touch on, drop them in the comments below and I'll add them to the list. Other than that, I hope y'all have an amazing day. Go win.